Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be heading downstairs into my laundry / storage room because it is absolutely insane in there. It is like beyond. So today I'm actually filming. I'm kind of doing 1.5 videos at the same time. You'll see me change outfits in the middle of this video because I'm filming part of it today along with my Christmas decorate with me, and part of it will be another day. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down into the laundry room. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. I'm going to take out a whole bunch of Christmas bins, bring that all up here. I'm going to go through all that stuff. I'm going to declutter a ton of it because I bet you I can get rid of probably at least one Christmas bin, because every year I'm always like, oh, I'll use this next year. I'll use this next year, and I never do. So it's time to just get rid of that stuff. It's taking up space. I haven't used it in like 3 years. I need to just let it go. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna declutter all of that, and then you guys will probably see me switch outfits. It'll be a different day when I continue the rest of that, because I'm gonna finish my Christmas decorate with me today. So that's the plan. Let's head downstairs and see what that laundry room looks like. It's bad, you guys. Hey you guys, so this is the state of the laundry room. It is horrible. We've run out of space to even stuff things, so we're just like putting things up all over the floor. Yeah, this is bad. So we need to completely, we need to go through everything in here. Like most of this stuff we don't even, I don't think need. There's Easter decorations down there, Halloween decorations here. I don't know what's in there. I don't even know, you guys. Like some of this stuff, like that cooler could probably go in the garage. Some of this stuff does not need to be here, but these 4 bins are all Christmas. That's not even including the tree. And then like on the side here is Christmas stuff too. So it's bananas. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these 4 bins, bring them upstairs, and then we'll go through everything up there. And basically whatever we don't use, we'll end up getting chucked. I do have a second tree that's out in my garage, so I want to leave some decorations for like downstairs decorating, because once my kids are old enough, probably next year, I would like to have 2 trees, have one upstairs and one downstairs, and have the second one be like the kids' tree. They can put all their decorations on it and do it however they want, and have the upstairs tree be like the nice tree. So I will keep stuff for that, but the rest, like, we got to get rid of some stuff here. So I'm tired already. Let's go.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Okay, you guys, so we are now several days later, and I'm going through back in the laundry room. So I was able to actually get rid of an entire bin full of Christmas decorations when we were upstairs going through everything. So that is awesome. So that's going to definitely free up some space here. But now what I'm doing is I'm just kind of like going through everything. There's a lot of the stuff that's in these bins that I kind of know. I have a general idea of what's in the bins, and I kind of have an idea whether or not I want to keep those bins in the laundry room or not. But I am definitely going to have to come through here and do another pass over. If you guys have watched any of my decluttering videos in the past, I really find it helpful to go through the same room multiple times, just giving yourself, you know, space of weeks or even months in between, because what I find is that sometimes you get like this, you almost get decision fatigue if you have a lot and you're kind of overwhelmed with what you're doing. So it can be hard to like make decisions based on that if you have so much that you're going through. So this is kind of just the general over the first pass of this room, and then eventually I will have to come in here and go through all the items in these bins, but for now I knew there was a lot in here that I was able to get rid of, and just by just like I was like, oh, I don't want this, like there was just a whole bunch of stuff in there that I knew that I could get rid of. But for some of the bins I definitely am going to need to go through and actually take a look at each item more closely, but I didn't have that much time today, and I also, like I said, I was definitely going to be experiencing some decision fatigue if I was going to start doing that today, but I'm really glad that I went through all the Christmas stuff, because I thought to myself that last year I was going to do that when I was putting everything away, but of course I had my baby last year around this time and I was just in no mood. I was like, no, I'll do it next year. So for me to be able to go through all that this year and get rid of an entire bin full of stuff, that was definitely a win in my book. I am organizing all of my decorations in this one corner. So I've got my Christmas decorations. I put them back. Well, of course, I guess the empty bins now because all my decorations are up, but I got my Christmas decorations in this corner. I've got a bag of Halloween decorations there. Above that, I have found a place for the Easter decorations, and the Halloween decorations are all there too. So I've kind of got like all my season's worth of decorations in one area, which is awesome. And then like following that, we're going to have an area for tools and like home renovation things. I've got paint and stuff like that. And then a lot of this stuff is like stuff from mine and Chad's childhood that I don't really feel comfortable storing in the garage. So it's like stuff like our old toys and clothes. Like I have bags of baby clothes that I wore when I was a kid that one day maybe our third kid will be a girl. Maybe I'll be able to dress them up in that, and like that'd be the cutest thing ever. We both have old toys and stuff that we held on to. So we have a lot of nostalgic items that I don't really feel comfortable putting in the garage. So that stuff is in here. So I just wanted to get that all grouped together and just kind of have like areas for certain things.
And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world. And tonight is our playground, we are kings of the world. And anywhere it's homebound, we are kings of the world.
So I would love to know in the comments down below, do you have like a storage area like this in your home? I would love to redo this room at some point and actually like make a nice laundry room, but I'm like, I don't even know what I would do as far as storage goes as to how to make this look better. First of all, like these racks that are in the house, like they're falling apart. I have to be really careful on what I put on some of the shelves because some of the shelves are like starting to fall apart already, and I'm like, I don't know how to fix this. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comment section below on like how I could possibly make this area better for storage and how I can make it just a little bit more usable.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. I've been gone, but haven't done even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm just scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show.
Hey you guys, so I am finished in here. I mean, obviously it still doesn't look pretty. It's still a storage room, but I have made a ton of space and I got rid of so much stuff. So I'll show you what it looks like and then I'll show you what we're getting rid of. Okay, so this is the overview. I was able to get rid of one entire bin of Christmas, so it was like one like this. And we've got all the rest of stuff is stuff we actually need in here. And look at all this space that I was able to clear off here, so that makes me super happy. There's actually like room on the floor and it's actually got room if we need to store more stuff in here, so that is super awesome. So I will preface this by saying, like I said, I did get rid of one of these bins. It's already in the garage, so it's not going to be with my pile of stuff. So just imagine the pile of stuff I'm about to show you, add a bin like this to it of Christmas stuff. And then this pile here is all stuff that is going to be sold or just stored in the garage. Pretty much the only thing that's going to be stored is the cooler. We only use the cooler obviously to go to the lake, so I don't need that in here. It can go in the garage, but the rest of the stuff will be sold. And then I have a little pile. Hi Holden, bye Holden. And then I have a little pile of stuff here that just needs to go upstairs. So
Hi, bye,
you want to say hi to the video?
No.
What are you playing?
I don't want to tell them.
You don't want to tell them? Alright you guys, so that wraps up today's video. I was able to declutter a ton of stuff in here and I'm so happy with the amount of stuff that I'm getting rid of. I've made some space. Eventually I'll probably go through here again, like I've talked to you guys about this before. The best way to declutter is to just go through your rooms one by one and continue to go through them again and again and again, because eventually like you're going to find more things that maybe this time you might decide you can let go, whereas last time you thought maybe you should hold on to. So the more you do it, the more you'll be able to declutter. Anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that I was able to give you some decluttering. I was able to give you some decluttering motivation. I hope you guys are having an awesome day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to